Hello everyone, my name is Tor and welcome back to Anthropology. Alright, so I have a very exciting video today. So this will be coming after my shopping vlog where I went to Miu Miu, Celine, LV Men's, did a little bit of Balenciaga and Prada shopping as well. So I'll link that video below if you haven't seen it already. Basically, this is the unboxing to that video. So if you recall from my previous videos in the beginning of the year, I talked about wanting a Miu Miu bag. I am Miu Miu obsessed. Miu Miu is my brand of the year, it seems, and this will be the only bag that I'm purchasing this year. Mark my words. So basically my New Year's resolution is to get better with money. Obviously, purchasing a handbag in the beginning of the year definitely puts question marks around that, but this will be the only bag I purchased this year, and I have reached purse piece. So purse piece, for those that are not familiar, is basically a concept where you are satisfied with your collection and you no longer feel the need to purchase other items because you're satisfied. You have peace within your collection. There's no other bags that are basically picking at you, and basically you're like, okay, my collection's done. I'm just gonna enjoy what I have and go from there. So I've been wanting a Miu Miu bag for a while. However, for those that are familiar with Miu Miu, you would know that essentially it's a very feminine brand. It is very feminine, lots of dainty colors, so pinks and blues and yellows, very pastel, very crystally, sparkly, like it is for girly girls. I am not either of those things. However, I definitely appreciate Miu Miu's aesthetic. I really love the brand. I really love sort of the sisterhood with Prada. And I've always been really attracted to the brand. I just never had found something that worked for me. I've been trying on a variety of different items. They've all been a little too feminine. I didn't really feel comfortable wearing them. I didn't really feel like they were my style. But needless to say, I've been very attracted to the brand and I've been wanting to add to my collection from the brand. So I'll do a full luxury collection video for those that are interested. All right, so without further ado, let's get into it. So this is how the bag came packaged. This is their holiday packaging. So I purchased this bag in January. It's the holiday season, so it's the white with the gold Miu Miu. And it just has Miu Miu debossed here, which I think is really nice. Their regular packaging is pink, like the color of the dust bag. This is their holiday ribbon as well. It is black and it just says Miu Miu there. I was not given a box for this bag when I was at the boutique with my client advisor. So they had two of this bag. This was a brand new release. It is a part of their Matelasse line. Matelasse is their quilting. It's like very synonymous with Miu Miu. It's like a V-shaped quilting. So this is like a version of that line. And it's also very reminiscent of their Confidential bag, which has the clasp. So I've been very interested in the Confidential bag, and I've been very interested in a bag that can be worn crossbody and is flapped. So I've been looking at a variety of bags such as the Dior Bobby, the Celine Triomphe bag. I've also been looking at the Chanel Boy bag, but none of them really spoke to me in any sort of way, and I was always really drawn, and I wanted a piece from the Matelasse line from Miu Miu, but I didn't want it to be overly feminine. So when I saw this bag on WeChat, for those that are not on WeChat, or I guess within like a Chinese majority for luxury, WeChat is the place to go. If you're not following WeChat, like especially in Vancouver, you're doing it wrong. You're not getting the latest updates, you're not getting the latest things. You're just not, and like that's the tea. So I saw this on WeChat like 3 weeks ago, and it was not released in Canada at all yet. It was not released anywhere online. It was only in Asia. So I basically messaged my salesperson. I was like, hey, what's this bag? Do you know anything about it? Are we gonna get it? Like, what's the tea? She was like, I don't know anything about this bag. I don't know if it's coming to Canada. I don't know what the price is. I don't know like anything about it. So then lo and behold, things happen. I follow up with her. Apparently there was one in the States and it retailed for around 3,100 Canadian. Miu Miu, like all the other brands, did a price increase. So 3 weeks ago or whatever, 2 weeks ago, this bag was launched at 3,100, but then they quickly did a price increase to 3,350. So yes, this bag is very expensive. Bag prices are going up and up and up. Miu Miu historically doesn't hold its value, so I will never get even close to the price that I paid for this bag. However, I have no intention of selling this bag. Here it is. Comes like this, beautifully wrapped in the pink dust bag. On the bottom, it just says Miu Miu there. Very, very cute. I really like it. Their dust bags are very small. Are y'all ready? You can sort of see it now. Okay, so I still have all of the packaging, and this is the bag. Okay, so this is the bag that I purchased. So this is called the Miu Miu Matelasse Napa leather shoulder bag. So this is the Matelasse print. So you can see it's very intricate quilting, and this whole flap back piece is one piece, and then there is another piece here. So this bag is made of 100% lambskin on the outside. On the inside, it's a mix of lambskin as well as satin. And then it just has the classic Miu Miu Confidential clasp here, which you open like this, and it's leather on the inside, and then you just close like that. So this is what the side gusset looks like. The bottom, it sits very flat, which I like. It's very, I don't even know what to say about this bag. I fucking love it. It's amazing. So it has a shoulder strap. This bag's dimensions are 13.5 centimeters in height, or 5.3 inches, 23 centimeters in terms of width, or 9 inches, and then 6 centimeters in terms of depth, or 2.3 inches. Then the strap drop. So the strap can be worn two ways. So you have it like this, which can be worn on the shoulder like that, and it sits very nicely. Or it can also be pulled through, and it can be worn crossbody. So the strap drop is either 50 centimeters or almost 20 inches, and then up to 105 centimeters, which is 41 inches. So there's a lot of different ways to wear it. You can also completely remove the strap if you want to wear it as a clutch. I don't know if I'll ever be doing that, but this is basically how it looks. I really love the detailing. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. 4 different adjustable holes that you can adjust if you want to make it longer, shorter. I'll just leave it at this length. So this bag comes in a variety of colors. So this bag comes in 3 colors so far and 2 different finishes. So it comes in a black, a white, and a yellow. And then it also comes in a goat skin. There's no matelasse, it's just pure goat skin. And then it also comes in a white goat skin with PVC or plexi type handle. I went with this one. This one was available to me, and I really, really enjoy it. I think it's beautiful. So this is the inside of the bag. I'm not gonna stretch it too much, but it just has one flat pocket, and it says Miu Miu right there in metal. So inside the bag, it comes with the Miu Miu authenticity card, and it also comes with the Miu Miu RFID. So a lot of brands have been using RFID technology. RFID technology is essentially how they can microchip a bag and then they can scan it to know if it's authentic or not, as opposed to inputting a variety of serial numbers. With the authenticity card, I'm not going to show the back, but it looks like this. It is beautiful. I love when bags come with authenticity cards. I really think it adds to the experience, and it really makes me feel like I'm getting something, you know, special, which I am. So this is the receipt holder. I got it from Hold for Free, which is a large department store. So this bag holds a ton. It fits my phone, it fits all of my card holders, my wallets, my small leather goods, accessories, everything like that. And I'm so excited to wear it. The Napa lambskin is so soft and buttery. It's absolutely gorgeous. I don't think it's going to wear that bad because of the matelasse thing, and it's puffy. It is really, really puffy. It's really, really nice. I'm so excited. Miu Miu is a brand that people don't really talk about very much. It's sort of forgotten about almost. Like, people love to talk about Prada. People love to talk about basically LV, everything like that, but Miu Miu really doesn't get a lot of love. And I think the bags are really well made, really gorgeous, but no one talks about them, and their pricing is fairly decent. I mean, this bag was very expensive. Like, after taxes, around 3,700 Canadian, and I was sort of like, am I really gonna do this right now? And obviously I did it. But yeah, they're very expensive. I think they went up in price. The confidential bag also went up. It was like 2,500 earlier last year. Now it's over 3,000. And I really think they're gorgeous. If you like them, honestly, I would go look at them. Okay, so this is how it looks like on me. I don't know if I'll wear it like this. I mean, maybe, why not? Plan on probably wearing it like this. I think this doesn't look as feminine, you know? It's a fairly, obviously it's a feminine bag, it's like a purse, but it doesn't look that bad. If anything, I think it looks quite masculine. Very easy to open, just go like that, it pops open. And then It is a little bit harder to close if there's nothing inside of it, but I think it's gonna wear really well. All right, so that was my video. Thank you all for watching. If you love Miu Miu bags, definitely comment down below. If there are any bags that are on your radar, definitely let me know as well. So yeah, as I mentioned, this will be my last bag posting of this year. I need all of y'all to hold me to it. My collection is at a point where I'm very happy with it. I don't want to add anything else. I don't think anything is missing. And I definitely want to live in more of an abundance mindset as opposed to a scarcity mindset. So thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye guys.